What up, guys? I am Doug, the founder and CEO of Red Apple Fireworks, and I am chilling right now at the Red Apple Fireworks flagship store right here in beautiful Pahrump, Nevada. Today, we are talking about the top fireworks samplers from Red Apple Fireworks. A fireworks sampler is when you buy a single pack of fireworks that has multiple different categories of fireworks within it. And over the years, you guys have made fireworks samplers one of the most popular, best-selling categories in the entire Red Apple Fireworks catalog, so thank you. Let's go! All right, guys, this is brand new. We were working with our friends over at Brothers Pyrotechnics to develop an all-new cake fireworks sampler, cakes only, powerful cakes. This is the Pyro Sonics 343-shot finale set box. Check out what's inside. These are all Brothers' best-selling, most powerful, standard-sized aerials. Man, this is so sick. So brand new this year, guys, one of our best-selling samplers of all time, the famous Cobra box, totally redesigned for 2024, now an even better value than it was before. And guess what? The cakes this year, all of the cakes in the Cobra box have been redonkulously upgraded, and they are all super powerful, really cool display levels now, much higher, much bigger breaks, much more color. Check it out. We also upgraded our best-selling Panda box. Check it out. We got two different versions of the Panda box. So if you're into the fountain aerial combos, definitely hit up the blue. If you're into the all aerial, definitely hit up the yellow version. Really, really cool. So don't let the size or the price of the Panda box fool you. It is an absolute beast. It's a great value. And this year, it is better than ever. And also brand new for this year, check it out, guys. This is the Joker box. Man, I love that artwork, so sick. Now, we worked with our friends over at Legend Fireworks to develop this brand new Joker box. Shout out to Legend. If you guys don't know, Legend makes some super high quality pyrotechnics. These are all aerials. There's no just straight up fountains. So definitely a tremendous value here. So sick. Now, I don't have these in stock yet, but the giant Panda box has been improved for this year. It's on the way right now. And the really big news is that we have a brand new sampler called the Buddha box. The Buddha box is absolutely our biggest and most powerful fireworks sampler. I promise you that one's gonna sell out as quickly as we get it in because it is redonkulous. And one of our best sellers year after year, this is the Canab box. This is a massive assortment, and you are getting everything that you see here. Canister shells built right in. You're gonna get a box of canister shells right inside the Canab box. So if you don't want a whole case of canister shells, you just wanna give them a try, this is a great way to do so with 12 shells right here. So a total of 17 aerials. This thing is no joke. It is really, really sick. One of my personal favorites, guys, check this out. This is called Lucky 13. This is an absolutely amazing fireworks sampler. It has some super powerful canister shells in it and some really powerful, beautiful cakes. And actually, we make some of those cakes individually outside of the fireworks sampler because they're so good. So you can buy some of the cakes inside of the Lucky 13. You can actually buy them individually to test them out. Now, the Tiki box, we've had this for a number of years, continues to be a fan favorite, and I love that shiny packaging. Look at that. Inside the Tiki box, you are getting 1 XL aerial, 2 large aerials, 8 standard aerials for a total of 296 shots, approximately 25 minutes of duration, very loud mid and high sky level effects, fan-shaped and vertical firing angle, and yes, finales are built in. What's up? Here is another sampler that we developed in conjunction with our friends over at Legend Fireworks. Check it out behind me. This is the Starbuck, brand new for this year. It's a fireworks sampler, as you can see. And yes, it is, again, all safe and sane here. You guys have really asked us to step up our game with our safe and sane assortments. And this is how we do it, guys. Check it out. Ton of different colors, ton of different effects, both ground and party effects, low and mid sky level effects. Approximately a half-hour duration here. Oh, man. Classic in the Red Apple Fireworks sampler lineup is the Unicorn box. Check that out. All fountains, but really, really nice fountains. The best ones that we could find, actually. And you can see you do have really cool reloadable marshmallow fountains. It's a reloadable fountain, very unique. And some really massive cylinder fountains in here. So Unicorn box has some really unique fireworks in it. But no matter what you do, you get a tremendous value out of the Unicorn box. Have a ton of samplers. Where'd I go? I'm gonna drop the link directly to the fireworks samplers category on our website in the description. Make sure you hit that up if you got some questions. Make sure you hit that up to get more details on all the fireworks samplers that we reviewed just now. See you guys soon. Peace.